Hey, Ben with you here again for Studio on the Lake. This is another of those ADD, for those of you with attention disorder deficit, can't follow a video for very long. And I hope you know I'm kidding about that. But stay with me. This one's kind of fun. It'll blow up pretty fast. Exploding Box. This will grab your attention, I think, for a little while. Start off with a rat trap. The bigger and badder, the better. Grab some scrap wood. Mark out about the rough outline of a box. Leave a little room on the edge because you're going to put some pieces in there. Look like that. Glue them together. Staple them real quick. All the way around. That's going to hold the loose pieces that we're going to stick in the middle there, which will allow it to blow up, but yet let it sit there on the desk with something like coffee donations on it. That's always fun. Until someone gets their knuckles wrapped and then they start crying. And then you feel bad. And then you have to take it somewhere else. Or your boss tells you, take it somewhere else. There, the sides are coming together. This is going so fast you can't see how crooked I cut that wood on the bandsaw. It's not milled down or anything. See, I tacked the sides together just to get a reference. We're going to pull in a chunk of log, same old basswood I always work with. Mark out the outside, leave a little room for the outer portion of it, bandsaw it, flip it on there, measure it, blah, blah, blah. Stay with me. Haven't lost you yet, have I? If I have, you wouldn't know, would you? Because you wouldn't be here. Carve out the bottom. Got to recess it. It's sitting on the top of that box and holding those sides together. The bottom holds the sides together. There you go. You're going to need a coin slot. Put it in the right spot or it won't hit the trigger on there and you're liable to hurt yourself. Fix the hole that you ground in the corner like I did there. That's with quick wood. If you put a finish on it, which we don't have time for today, then you'd never see it. Put the sides together, check it out. Looks good. Stick your head down there while it's live. That makes a lot of sense. Talk about attention disorder deficit. Good thing it didn't bite me. Here it is in slow motion. Gotta love that part right there. There it goes. I like that. Hey, this Ben with Studio on the Lake. That's a short version for you. That took up, just a little over 3 minutes of your time. Hey, if you like any of the videos on Studio on the Lake, go ahead and subscribe. Click like, and by all means, leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Hey, thanks for watching.